To digest this, you must broaden your mind to completely understand that visual sound is a symbol of wisdom, strength, and power. Visual meaning to be seen with the physical as well as the mental eye, awakeness of the mind. Sound being musical vibrations which penetrates the mind to thought. Together they as one in the awakeness of true lyricism, which is the actual essence of hip-hop, destined to defeat the struggles of life as well as realistic view towards true freedom. Visual sound.
I'm relaxed but yet vexed, complex I stay. Simple though if you wanna walk this way or walk that way. You've been on the wrong route for some time now. Running your mouth, dropping dime now. It don't matter cause the blind can see. That's all half-ass baby soft shit. Wanna butter me up so I can dance in the party type mix. Pardon me, bitch. I said something to offend. Fuck it, I don't give a shit. For real though, feelings is deep like that. They're out of nowhere. You got the party stopper, rocking, getting dropped, and just don't know it yet. Cause all that you kicking while you mainstream in the limelight. Get back to the residence where I reside with residue on desk. Plan out the attack, but still keep it mental. Resort to physical if traditional ways and such don't set in right away. And that's how it's gonna be, pretty much. Somewhat, just about, kinda sorta. Looking for a brighter day and still be hostile. Even though a smile I bear, looking over the horizon. Nothing seems surprising. Advertising some old falsehoods. I ain't perfect, but my style is dumb. As an individual, I'm responsible for other individuals. The material is original, black as Shantia. Living an unjust society like Mumia. Who am I to judge as if I can't be judged either? Music, nigga. It's all about the music.
Peep the landmine blowing like doors off its hinges. Shit's tremendous. I smack whack niggas' senses. First things first, I burst a verse to curse the universe. Thug smirk, rep for my niggas wanted the brag hearse. Savage ass niggas spit pollute styles now. Offspring from mainstream trapped in underground. High bitch like Sopranos. I'm lost in the overdose. But remember, keep it calm though. Why niggas talk about how much they spark, but couldn't kick it from the heart, cause they couldn't rhyme from the start. My style brings out the wild child of niggas. Go to war with bigger niggas who snatch back for bigger figures. First things first, shot collapse tracks and whack agendas. Third platoon soon, I blow spots for all contenders. Niggas added up to get with all that plastic rap. Can't stay ready for combat when the verbal attack. Visual sound with the speed of piranha. Your prima donna style gets locked down quicker than jail compound. Frontline brothers, stay on point like a soldier. Watch fame niggas trying to strike like a cold, but knowledge degree. What is a born when you state? Accumulate facts, minds react to penetrate.
In due time, all things will come to those who don't run to after or from.
Now as I be skeptical, I be tactical. For me to do this was no risk, leaving two imprints and no fingerprints, no evidence like Dracula. Theatrical never had to be just actual. When you're classical, it's hard to do a follow-up in fashion. Who? So ever say what they say? No, it can't be. Ill mishaps and always a lie being told. Spread the rumor like a tumor as a consumer. Check the music closer. Feel hypnotic like lingerie from erotica. If your woman got it, then examine the lyrics.
Word up. Now that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. With the up. Know what I'm saying? It's real right here. It's real. Yeah. Cold War. Got me thinking fast and flash score. Dinosaurs. Without the Solomon Gomorrah. I plus through. Sneak around the scenes like bounties do. Haunting you. Scurvy this liquid gases and molecules stepping through. Keep me as I blow the spot. Certified that when I put the strangles on blocks and speed. Now so get pop. Who you? Country like Scott, representing bullshit flies, keeping the speed now on your front grill. Forever real and massive hill. Salute to the steel, the spit blood with dry meal. Squads to bruise you, speed through you. High life insightful you. Left back stains, the residue. Squirt top notch, forever sound knocks. Recruits and dry tops with strangles on blocks. And these speed knocks on hip hop, my repertoire. Who run broad, stand tall, rise, spot all stars, uncut like raw dog. I know you wish you know.
Attack with FOTO, the game's cold. That's why I spit that cross flow. Let it know you ain't hot. I freeze that ass up like Sub-Zero. With lyrics in life, no sell, nigga, that's trite. Snatch your ice, knock it off at street price. Materialistic things, fake MCs choose. Get off that bullshit, I wanna hear about your dues. Can't come correct, cause it ain't paid a quarter. Thirsty for water, prepare for the slaughter. Hate out, drop the Haiti bomb. Never calm, far from the norm. Flame on and get on. Visual sound, oversee y'all. We gon' beat y'all. Get dough to cash, show some next ish. You gon' see y'all.
Two for sure, only way for me to blow is with the chemical. Shake it up and bottle those, no sleep, like no dose, knee deep, impossible. Many chose the same road, unfortunate though.
Freed our mind, the rest gon' follow. One empty and hollow to a hard act swallow. Strike desperado, pull the trigger when it's trifling. Grimy niggas lost their edge out the snipe.
Now we blaze flow, dumb style and flame nose. Can't blame those, but open a style portfolios. Many days I stress rap scar clutching my chest. No more less, but pain, poverty can reject.
I know you feeling this.
Keep them bouncing by the thousands beyond reason. Got back for jewel thieving, love treason. Turn back the clap season, never slacking. Wobble with the walk from pants sagging. Bragging had me forced to pull the magnum. He made a move, I clapped him, robbed him, projected him. No more will he corrupt. Out of line that left him chalked up. This whole world's hooked up. Smoke, so what? Got 10-year-old niggas running around, getting they grown up. Now tell me that ain't hooked up. Left alone without a home street prone, keeps the chrome street cornerstone twisted. My be in his own rap apparatus. Get your frame twist back and stack that ass like a cactus. Worldwide like an atlas. Only way I know to go out is folk shoot out. We could knuckle up and push your whole fist down. You ain't got much time. Holding it out. Commit all up on acts and crime. Face of time. Underground minds connect. Hit back like street gas. A physical digest. To all my low sound niggas who ain't got much time. Holding it out. Commit all up on acts and crime. Face of time. Underground minds connect. Hit back like street gas. A physical digest.
Who the fuck is you? On the side trying to coach mine, I keep the glow shine, come get it sharp all the time. Ill breed, nigga, I feel pain in my wrist. Gotta put it down, tight the game, cold as a shit. Yo, I seen shit, two best friends, one turn shit. Got this man locked, he on the block, sexing his dick. Oh, it's hard ball in these mean streets. Heads robbing each other, playing for keeps, making this meat. This season wipe out. You in the casket all piped out. Don't even rob you, blast you for pleasure. No treasure, my zone prophylactic. Sing mash-ish like a movie writing scripts. This world like a sliced onion, bringing tears. Is it better than here? No worries, no fear. Living corrupt, niggas got the game hooked up, block sold up. Ain't on no real mission with them bucks, we run our own ish. Drop the high hit like dog ish. Stay butter dip, rolling the jit, rubber grit. Fuck bitch, trying to knock this, block this, mean dream, hope bitch, I'm all about the cream. Know what I mean?
Who ain't got much time, holding it out, commit all over acts and crime, face of time, underground minds connect, impact like street gas, the physical digest. To all my low sound niggas who ain't got much time, holding it out, commit all over acts and crime, face of time, underground minds connect, impact
serving on papers, chopping that roll off with razors. My life is trifling grim, put you in my shoes. You wouldn't wanna be him. Step into the G, I build with mad degrees. Niggas just be fleas, you can't up with these. Ill type of rugged flows, blow it out your nose. This game is mad deep, got me staying on my toes. Heads I run with, we ain't nothing but some pros. Don't stop the dice, let them roll what they wanna roll. Yeah.
Declare war. Double spike mic, that split door. But who broke backs and snuck crack, they get yours. What's the mission? Certified we brutal. Scorpion is a merciful how. We swing wild. Young days are holding frontiers. Bringing wreck for years while you were shedding tears. Lying to your peers in states of fear. Scorpion is was there. Confused the minds like CCP. Thugs that hurting me. It's naturally I break your states like leprosy. Prophecies I lay. Tell myself to get sauce. I here to spray like AKs in many ways. Till there's no remains to all competitors. Amateurs in particular, the prop earners. Holla Lucifer when he burns. Just rolling bones and stones. Those who claim they got it sewn. I snatch your throne, disconnect your bones. Blows the throne to your dome. Analyze format tracks and scully caps. Accumulate facts and stitch on tracks once I black.
On my little sound, you ain't got much time. Only get out, commit all up on acts and crime. Face the time, underground minds connect. Impact like street, got the physical to death. Two on my little sound, you ain't got much time. Only get out, commit all up on acts and crime. Face the time, underground minds connect. Impact like street, got the physical to death. What?
Y'all know how it's going down. 9-8 to the G. Visual sound locking it down. G-Tribe all unique. My man's working is the most fun. You know what I'm saying? Watch your back. Watch your back. Word up. Swear, bring that shit, yo. Word up. Visual.
Man, mind blowing like doors off the hinges. Shit's tremendous. I smack whack niggas senseless. First things first, I burst a verse to curse the universe. Thug smirk, rep for my niggas wanted the brag hurst. Savage ass niggas spit pollute the styles now. All spring for mainstream trapped in underground. Inside bitch like Sopranos. I'm lost in the overdose, but my boo keeps it calm though. Why niggas talk about how much they smoke, but couldn't kick it from the heart, cause they couldn't rhyme from the start. My style brings out the wild talent niggas. I go to war with bigger niggas who snatch back bigger figures. Niggas had it up to here with all that plastic rap, and they ready for combat when the murder attack. Visual sound with the speed of piranha. Your prima donna style gets locked down quicker than jail compounds.
You see, rhymes and keep you hollow points straight through your temple. My shit is little, but I keep it real and simple. Maintaining this game, stay strong like Schwarzenegger. Positive energy, we some ill breed niggas, you see. Rhymes that kill you hollow points straight through your temple. My shit is little, but I keep it real and simple. Maintaining this game, stay strong like Schwarzenegger. Positive energy, we some ill breed niggas.
Try past that, let a real artist come and bless that. Caught you out beaming on the floor, yelling they own that. Attack with chrome gat, smack them where they thoughts be at. Relax, nigga, only spit when Tribe pulls the trigger. I be the gun that does the dirty work. React and bust first, burst to earth, miracle verse. Curse the universe, fell deep like the black curse. Rep for NJ, forever till the shell decays. Brother, now it's okay. So why spin a sense if it don't make sense? Get out the house of styles, don't y'all niggas so backward. Cause only all that we take. Had a friend, but he turned snake. Couldn't wait, so DJs throw wheels to make a mixtape. And on and on. Just like the vibe from Uncle Neck. This bless this microphone in a tone. Leave him reckless. Scorpion is the best with this. Banging on tapes. He knows who waited for the perfect time. Shit on the face. You couldn't see it right there in your face. We got him.
You see, rhymes that kill you hollow points straight through your temple. My shit is little, but I keep it real and simple. Maintaining this game, stay strong like Schwarzenegger. Positive energy, we some ill breed niggas. You see, rhymes that kill you hollow points straight through your temple. My shit is little, but I keep it real and simple. Maintaining this game, stay strong like Schwarzenegger. Positive energy, we some ill breed niggas.
Ass out, caught you in the stash house. Ass out, blast out. Ran and got the double LO, cross like Chris's. My hit list made up of hoes. Friends and foes, only love that we got is for dough. Forever solo section strangler, scurviness, hold your breath, smother up. Might get crushed in full thrust, snatch juggler. Sling back your hammer, let my lyrics serve justice. Plus this shit, then I'll be writing with no purpose. Whole crew's worthless, so get these and you double T's. I confuse your fucking mind like I would tell facilities.
You see, rhymes to kill you, hollow point straight through your temple. My shit is mental, but I keep it real and simple. Maintaining this game, stay strong like Schwarzenegger. Positive energy, we some ill breed niggas. You see, rhymes to kill you, hollow point straight through your temple. My shit is mental, but I keep it real and simple. Maintaining this game, stay strong like Schwarzenegger. Positive energy, we some ill breed niggas. You see, rise to kill you, hollow point straight through your temple. My shit is mental, but I keep it real and simple. Maintaining this game, stay strong like Schwarzenegger. Positive energy, we some ill breed niggas. You see, rise to kill you, hollow point straight through your temple. My shit is mental, but I keep it real and simple. Maintaining this game, stay strong like Schwarzenegger. Positive energy, we some ill breed niggas. Yeah. What the fuck you want?
Frontline thuggin', stay on point like a soldier. Watch them fang niggas tryna strike like a cope knowledge degree. What is your born when you state? Accumulate facts, minds react and penetrate. Frontline thuggin', stay on point like a soldier. Watch them fang niggas tryna strike like a cope knowledge degree. What is your born when you state? Accumulate facts, minds react and penetrate.
Strike bless the mic like a minister when he building. Baptizing, get in the water. You my children, adamant, unyielding flows you can't abash. Do the visual like 5%ers do the math. Breeze too ill, cold like steel, nigga, we stainless. Breaking style, and you up, leaving you brainless. Voice not verbal enough to spread the mustard. Sounding like the next head on tracks, nigga, you busted. Infiltrate your bombshell, visual flow, nigga, I'm deeper than the wishing well. Can't you tell? Raining on that ass, snow mixed with hell. From the sky bombing, visual sound, we ring bells. Niggas too frail, can't walk the same trail, let's right, rock ball. Came this fall, you crossed the grain and fell off. To the wayside, let the block snatch your pride. I'm in for the ride, spread my wings and hand glide. Nationwide around the world, back again. State to state, city to borough, my team's thorough. You dunce, not fertile at all, nigga, you're sterile. Not able to bear, dealing with cats that been there. Immature, low ass nigga, I'm pluvio. Acts of abundant rain, mental pain, leave a permanent stain engraved in your brain. Ain't nothing changed, y'all.
Frontline thuggin', stay on point like a soldier. Watch them fang niggas tryna strike like a cope knowledge degree. What is your born when you state? Accumulate facts, minds react and penetrate them. Frontline thuggin', stay on point like a soldier. Watch them fang niggas tryna strike like a cope knowledge degree. What is your born when you state? Accumulate facts, minds react and penetrate.
Extremely wicked, brutal, cruel, atrocious, murderous flow, assassinate, destroy your mental. Gator sharp expressing my thoughts in categories. Niggas too canard can handle the real, not allegory. We blaze shit, furious flows when tongues lash. Thrash, trash, go to war, tangled in cash. Press down, throw the club on your squad. Isolate them, underrate them, burn them to ashes, cremate them. You still yapping, running your mouth, spreading rumors. Gator pit assassin, slaughterhouse like Anubis. War guy, bomb your blocks and avenues. We paid our dues, left residue, rolling the tubes. Bleed tracks like bloody noses, strike poses. Rip till I catch the dry mouth and halitosis. Don't swerve, I lost count of all the shows we rip. Mics we grip, even chicken heads out of split and it's killing me. The weed took my stability, barely stable. Cells thin like wire cables, spontaneous, said and done. Yo, it's over. Frontline thuggin', stay on point like a soldier.
Frontline thuggin', stay on point like a soldier. Watch them fang niggas tryna strike like a cope knowledge degree. What is your born when you state? Accumulate facts, minds react and penetrate them. Frontline thuggin', stay on point like a soldier. Watch them fang niggas tryna strike like a cope knowledge degree. What is your born when you state? Accumulate facts, minds react and penetrate.
We elevated to a higher plane. Rank the status now, elaborate. Complex, organic lifestyle. Visual sound, top of the charts. Breaking hearts, playing our part. Affiliated from the start. Without limits, infinite flow beyond value. Low cell, no flesh on the bone. Heads around you, unstrained, express my thoughts with a fusion. Blacking out, I'm in my own world, having illusions. Flawless victories got me feeling immortal. 80 and better, warp speed, we teleportable. Fortified physical strength, courage, endurance. withstand stress, heartache and pain. No insurance, built the last, formulate flows that be the realest. Life skillers, trife, life tacticianist. Technical methods, did my research, learn the technique, practice it freak. 7 days of the week, flows will bomb you, calm you. I'm too far beyond you, can barely crawl. We putting it down in the raw. We can fat, I did it, nigga. Fuck all y'all. If we can't correspond, step down from my level. Akbar bless the track, they run rebel. What?
Frontline thug and stay on point like a soldier. Watch them fame niggas trying to strike like a open knowledge degree. What is your born when you state? Accumulate facts, minds react and penetrate. Frontline thug and stay on point like a soldier. Watch them fame niggas trying to strike like a open knowledge degree. What is your born when you state? Accumulate facts, minds react and penetrate.
What? What?
Word up. Now that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. What the fuck? Know what I'm saying? It's real right here. It's real. Yeah. Cold War. Got me thinking fast, they flash score. Kinda sorta. Without the Sodom and Gomorrah, I plus through. Sneak around the scenes like bounties do. Haunting you, scurviness, liquid gases and molecules stepping through. Keep me as I blow the spot. Certified that when I put the strangles on blocks and speed knocks on gear pop. Oh, you. Country like Scott, representing bullshit blocks, keeping the speed now on your front grill. Forever real and massive hill. Salute to the steel and spit blood with dry mill squads to bruise you. Speed through you. High life insightful you. Left backstage, the residue. Squirt top notch, forever sound knocks. So coops and dry tops with strangles on blocks. And these speed knocks on hip hop, my repertoire. Who run broad, stand tall, rise, spot all stars, uncut like raw dog. I know you wish you know.
Cheaters, cool world, trying to beat us. Practice out of hellhole. It'll snatch your soul. G-A-G, double T-O, the game's cold. That's why I spit that frost flow. Let a nigga know you ain't hot. I freeze that ass up like Sub-Zero. With lyrics in light, low sell, nigga, that's tripe. Snatch your ice, knock it off at street price. Materialistic things, fake MCs choose. Get off that bullshit, I wanna hear about your dues. Can't come correct, cause niggas ain't paid a quarter. Thirsty for water, prepare for the slaughter. Hate out, drop the Haiti bomb. Never calm, far from the norm. Flame on and get on. Visual sound, oversee y'all. We gon' beat y'all. Get dough to cash, show some next shit. You gon' see y'all.
Two for sure, only way for me to blow is with the chemical. Shake it up and bottle those, no sleep like no dose. Knee deep, impossible, many chose the same road, unfortunate though.
Freed our mind, nigga, the rest gon' follow. One sip in your hollow to a hard act, swallow. Strike desperado, pull the trigger when it's trifling. Grimy niggas lost their edge out the snipe.
Now we blaze flow, dumb style and flame nose. Can't blame those, but open they style portfolios. Many days I stress, rap scar clutching my chest. No more less, but pain, poverty can reject.
I know you feeling this. South Coast.
Yeah, try niggas profiling, wildin' like you see it in you thousand. Rabbits on the throne and keep them bouncing by the thousands beyond reason. Got back for jewel thieving, thug treason. Turn rap to clap season, never slacking. Wobble with the walk from pants sagging. Bitch nigga bragging, had me forced to pull the magnum. He made a move, I clapped him, robbed him, project him. No more will he corrupt. Out of line that left him chalked up. This whole world's fucked up.
Smoke weed, so what?
Got 10-year-old niggas running around, yelling they grown up. Now tell me that ain't fucked up. Left alone without a home street, prone keeps the chrome street, corner phone twisted, my be in his own rap apparatus. Get your frame twist backwards, stack that ass like a cactus, worldwide like an atlas. Only way I know to go out and fuck shootouts. We go knuckle up and push your whole shit down.
Ain't got much time, holy and I commit all up on action crime, facing time. Underground minds connect, impact that street, that's a physical inject. To all my low sound niggas who ain't got much time, holy and I commit all up on action crime, facing time. Underground minds connect, impact that street, that's a physical inject.
Who the fuck is you? On the side trying to coach mine, I keep the glow shine, come get it show up all the time. Ill breed nigga, I feel pain in my wrist. Gotta put it down, tight the game, cold as a bitch. Yo, I seen shit, two best friends, one turn snitch. Got his man locked, he on the block, sexing his bitch. Oh, it's hardball in these mean streets. Heads robbing each other, playing for keeps, making his meat. This season wipe out, you in the casket all piped out. Don't even rob you, blast you for pleasure. No treasure, my zone prophylactic. Sing mad shit, like a movie writing scripts. This world like a sliced onion, bringing tears. Is it better than here? No worries, no fear. Living corrupt, niggas got the game fucked up. Block sold up, ain't on no real mission with them bucks. We run our own shit, drop the hot hit like dog shit. Stay butter dip, rolling the jit, rubber grip. Fuck bitches trying to knock this, block this, mean dream. Hope bitch, I'm all about the cream. Know what I mean?
Niggas who ain't got much time, holy and I commit all up on action crime, facing time. Underground minds connect, impact like street, that's a physical inject. To all my low sound niggas who ain't got much time, holy and I commit all up on action crime, facing time. Underground minds connect, impact like street, that's a physical inject.
Went for pulling all-nighters on the block with all my gators, serving them vapors, chopping that roll off with razors. My life is trite, think grim, put you in my shoes. You wouldn't wanna be him. Step into the G, I build with mad degrees. Niggas just be pleased, you can't fuck with these. Ill type of rugged flows, blow it out your nose. This game is mad deep, got me staying on my toes. Heads I run with, we ain't nothing but some fucking pros. Don't stop the dice, let them roll what they wanna roll, nigga.
Declare war, double spike mic that split doors. But who broke backs and slunk crack to get yours? What's the mission? Certified we brutal, scraping this a merciful how we swing wild. Young days are holding frontiers, bringing wreck for years like you were shedding tears. Lying to your peers in states of fear, scraping this was there, confused the minds like PCP. Thugs that hurted me, it's naturally I pray those states like leprosy. Prophecies I laid till my cell decay. Saucer here to spray like AKs in many ways. Today no remains to all competitors. Amateurs in particular, the prop runners. Holla Lucifer when he burns, just rolling bones and stones. Those who claim they got it sewn, I snatch your throne, disconnect your bones, blows the throne to your dome, nigga. Analyze format tracks and scully cap, accumulate facts and shit on tracks once I black.
To all my low sound niggas who ain't got much time, holy and I commit all up on